Hi there, how are you? That's great. I seem to be making, lots of curries and Indian food. I thought today I'd make a spiced rice, like a little nicey spicy rice in the rice cooker. And what I like to do in the rice cooker is put less water than is recommended so that I get sticking to the bottom and it forms like this caramelization and all the rice gets all crispy and caramelly and yummy. I think we should get started. Shall we? Yes, let's do that. Because I'm the ghee freak, I'm going to put a lump of ghee in there to cook with. Make your own ghee. Much nicer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Oh. First thing I'm going to add is my sliced onions. A lot of people didn't know you could cook in your rice cooker. Yes, you can. You totally can. So let's have a look what's going on in here then, shall we? Yes. So this is the delicious, yummy spice rice. You can add whatever nuts you want, pistachios or slivered almonds or fruits, sultanas. I like to put apricots in mine at the start, at the frying bit. It's just yummy. You can eat it like this. Big dollop of yogurt on top. Coriander. Yeah. Thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you later. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, please.